Okay, we're gonna make some eggs in the microwave. Need some milk. Oh shoot. Shoot. My bad. Okay. We probably need just a little bit more milk. Okay, where's this? Here you go. It's morning time. Then I'm gonna throw in just a little bit butter for me. Ooh, that's a lot of salt. Put it and mess it up. Wow, I tell you. All right. I'm getting a late start to the morning. All right. So now we're gonna put this sucker up in my fancy microwave. I was gonna start at about 1 minute and see. Here I am on the side. Oh, we must wait for a minute. Well, good morning, Annalise. She's kidding. My dogs are beautiful. My dogs are pepper. Little bit of eggs and milk while we wait. Like putting things together with the videos. Ooh, I need to clean out that fridge. I see how dirty it was. I'll get to it when I get to it. we got just a few minutes. And guess what? They're not going to be done yet. But they're getting there. Okay. Now what I'm going to do here is stir it around. Ooh. Me and the dogs eat scrambled eggs in the morning. Or, you know, something else. Alright, give that a little whirl. Kitchen looks like everybody else is messy. We use it. Okay. Let's see. Let's do 20. We'll do 20 seconds because I don't really have the times down. It don't even matter. It's just what I feel for the morning. How loose or chunky do I want my eggs? And we wait. The dogs are eating in the morning. They always eat in the morning. Okay. Let's check it out. Oh, they still live. They might not be too bad. Oh, look. I need one of them. Somebody to hold my stuff. I can see. Well, they're done. If you see. We'll just stir it like this since I have to hold my phone. But look. Ooh, I done made a mess. Aren't they pretty? And that was what? A minute 40? See y'all later.